Hello you guys, Cimplycece here and welcome back to my channel. You guys, we are here for our 11-month update, you guys. I'm so excited to be almost a year in on my journey. It has been phenomenal. Before we jump into this video, I have to introduce myself because I have a lot of new subbies. Thank you all so very much. We are on our way to 900. Baby, did you hear what I said? We are on our way to 900. Okay, and I could not be here without you guys. So thank you so much. Since I have quite a few new subscribers, I want to introduce myself. I am Cece, and here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm currently documenting my sister-lock journey, as you can see, which is probably a good chance you're on this video. And if you have not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. If you enjoy the video, if it's helpful, if you find that you enjoy me, you just dig my vibe and you have a good time here, please be sure to subscribe as well. Don't forget to hit the notification bell once you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. Is where it's supposed to be. And I know I created it and make no mistakes on me. My feet, my thighs, my lips, my eyes, and love and what I see. From your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel. I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl from your video. Don't wear pantyhose. My mama said a lady ain't what she wears but what she knows. But I've drawn the conclusion it's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. A misconception, a mass deception. Something's gotta change. Don't be offended, this is all my opinion. Ain't nothing that I'm saying, Lord. This is a true confession of a life-learned lesson I was sent here to share with y'all. So get in where you fit and go on and shine. Clear your mind, now's the time. Put your salt on the shelf, go on and love yourself, cause everything is gonna be alright.
Okay, you guys, so we are 11 months in. This, I do believe, is going to be short and sweet, but I say that all the time, and then I end up babbling a lot. First things first. Now, before I jump into this video, I have uploaded a styling video. If you haven't checked it out, I share like 3.5, basically 4 hairstyles that I do on my Sisterlocks now at this length. So if you're about this length, or like I said in the video, maybe a little longer or even a little shorter, that video might be helpful. So be sure to check that out. I will link it on the screen if I do not forget. I've been forgetting a lot lately, but if not, just go through my videos. It'll be my last upload before this one. But anyways, in that video, I was letting you guys know that I laid them again. Yes, you guys, I laid my edges. I said hello to gel again. But I think I'm okay with that because, like I was saying in that video, for you guys who don't care to look at the styling video, we're going to just run over it real quick. Since I have learned to properly shampoo my Sisterlocks now, I no longer struggle with any buildup. Although I got a little bit of something in this one. But I know that's not from gel because, as you can see, I don't even put gel down there. So I don't really know what that's from. But it could be lint or something. But anyway, since I know how to properly shampoo, I feel safe to use gel. As you guys can see, it's barely anything laid down. I'm not being exaggerated or anything with them. Well, this might be exaggerated to some people. But I only got a few. These little hairs will never be Sisterlocks. I mean, they're just way too fine. Now this, we gonna pray that one day you're going to grow up and not always be a comb coil. And this is a sister knot. And this little piece, you know, y'all. Yeah, if y'all got Sisterlocks, y'all know the struggles, okay? Up here, we have another comb coil. We trying, but she just so fine. She wasn't trying to, like, get all tied up or nothing. And this one is a comb coil as well. And this is a comb coil. And that is a comb curl. I don't even know what to call that, y'all. It's tiny. But anyway, those will one day grow up and mature and be Sisterlocks. Y'all know I have struggle edges. So, you know, if those can, we believe in. And y'all believe with me. Go on and pray for them edges, okay? So, anyway, that's all I want to say. I've welcomed gel back is what I was trying to say. Anyways, I am loving it, you guys. The length is just, like, they're growing. I really enjoyed it. If you don't follow me on my Instagram as well, and I'll try to remember to put that on the screen or link it, because I'm starting to do stories again. I'm trying to get back into the habit. I had a little hiccup in life, and I've been busy, and I opened a suite, so it's been a lot going on. But follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and you can see what my hair looked like before. You guys, what I can say now, 11 months in, is that even on retie day, I still absolutely love my locks after I've shampooed them. Today when I went, and I might put a snippet of it in here, it'll be like a story. I'll put it in here so you guys can check that out. But yeah, like, it was before I even got them retied, and I was like, y'all still cute or whatever. So other than that, we just praying on hair to get fuller so that I can get some more Sisterlocks up there. Now we're gonna go around to the back. This situations I was showing y'all. So you guys, I talked in a video before about my sister knots. These are sister knots. So I really use my crochet hook and finesse some stuff. My hope is to get it to stay. I won't be shampooing my hair again until for 5 weeks, because I shampooed it today, and I won't shampoo it again for 5 weeks. I always shampoo my hair either the night before or the day of my retie. So I'm hoping that since they're not, they can kind of grow and nap up some more. I'm really just wanting it to start a and I did on both sides, because these little hairs growing down the side of my neck, y'all, they get on my nerves, okay? And as you can see in my styling video, and you will see more because there are more styling videos to come, I will put a disclaimer. That styling video is a little long. I'm trying to figure out a way to edit it, but it's long. It's because it's my first one, and I'll get better and try to make them short and sweet. But y'all, it is what it is. But check it out. You fast forward once you get it. Y'all know what to do. But anyway, so those are some sister knots that I put in back here. This is also what I call a sister knot. And like I said, I just use my crochet hook and just go through it and try to get it to lock up. And she said it's okay. She's like, I'm eventually going to grab them. But I did it with this one, and it actually survived. And we have a Sisterlock now. So I'm just trying to get as much of my hair locked. I talked about that too as well. In my last update. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Now I have to, here she is. Look at this. Y'all see this? Let me put my hand. I know y'all beautiful and all, but the show ain't about y'all. It's about my baby right here. My struggle baby. And I did this to myself. Now, I don't really know how I did that. I have no idea what happened to her, but I'm not gonna lie. My theory is that I caught it with one of my hairpins. That's what I believe when I pin my hair up. Where it sits, when I style, I think that a hairpin caught it or snagged it or something. I just didn't know about it until I seen it. So now I've just been really chilling on styling it a lot and just been wearing them down because I'm scared to do that to any more locks. So I will add this disclaimer. on the styling video on my updos, and I haven't watched any other styling videos. Like I said, I've seen some, but not typically in my length. Um, I use a lot of hairpins to pin it up. I think that's because of a hairpin, but I really don't know. But I just want to put it out there, you guys, if you do check out the styling video. If you even use hairpins before even seeing my styling video, just please be careful, because I don't really know what it's from, but that's my theory. But she hanging on, so we're going to pray for strength. Anywho, but I think that is really it, you guys. I'm already planning out how I'm going to do my year. I'm super excited about that. But truly, they just look beautiful to me. I'm trying to see. I never really pay attention to my grid. And you guys, if y'all want me to like section it out where you can see the grid, let me know, and I'll like start the video with it like pinned up or something with my grid showing. I've never really cared much about the grid. Oh, that's kind of cute though. I've never really cared much about my grid, but it seemed to be a big deal to some people. So I don't know. You ever know, it's one of those things where it's like, it's not a big deal to me, but I'm wondering if it should be a big deal, since a lot of people kind of care about their grid. I even saw a video where a girl got her whole back her grid redone, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I don't care about it. I think they look good. I love them. I don't have anything else to say. I'm trying to think, like, what I can say at this far into my journey is that I really, really love my hair, you guys. I'm so very, very comfortable in them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Like I said today, like before I even got them retied, I did a braid out. Well, it's a braid out because you have to braid it in, you know, and I took the braids out before I went, and I just love the way it looked. So I do plan on actually styling my hair into a braid out, because it does give me this kind of look. It looks similar to when it's not really stretched, but I like it. I just think it's cute. I might need to change my background so y'all can like see all my hair, like the shape that y'all can see it like this if I'm on my tippy toes, like the shape that is forming, you guys. I'm just really, really loving that so much. So it's cute or whatever. I'm loving them. I do not have any hair envy. I was struggling with that a while ago. I'm just so glad I wasn't being spontaneous, which is something I used to do a lot. So I'm glad I just held out and stayed patient. I'm growing up, so I'm learning not to make rash decisions, and I shared that with you guys before. Be patient. Again, find an alternative to appease you, especially if you put a lot of thought into your locks. Like today, and actually ever since I stopped wearing a wig, I just be like, this is exactly why I put Sisterlocks in, because they are beautiful and they're actually way more convenient and way more lovely than I actually had thought that they would be. They were beautiful, but I guess it's just, since they're your own unique kind of style, they are, like I've shared that before too, that they just kind of like, mine's are uniquely like mine's, and nobody's will probably look exactly like mine's, but as I get really, really accustomed to them, and we marry together, me and my locks, it's becoming a real big part of who I am, and I'm just absolutely loving them. So for this update, you guys, I just really want to tell you, like, I love my hair. It has been wonderful. I hope I got you guys enough footage where y'all can like see them and look at them. I love seeing those clean lines though. Maybe that's why people be on their grids. I mean, but yeah, I love seeing it. But it's just, oh, they're just pretty. Excuse me, y'all. I just literally spit. That's gross. But they're really, really pretty, and I love them. So if you're thinking about Sisterlocks, girl, go for it. I will have to say, I spent a lot of time looking at them. They are so worth it. I mean, I don't want to sound repetitive, but you guys, they are so freeing, and they are so beautiful, and they are your hair. It's so simple. My hair is just flourishing. It's doing so very, very good. You know, being in the locks too, I can tell it likes it, and that length like that I'm getting, oh, just great. So I love them. That is really what I'm here to say, is they are great. I haven't lost any, thank God, apart from my little baby up here. So we all gonna be in agreement that she gonna be all right. She gonna survive this little struggle she in, and these edges gonna become Sisterlocks one day all around the perimeter. But that is it. That's what we're waiting on. I can say that being almost a year in, I will be a year on September 12th. I wish I was fully locked, and she did tell me, I would say my consultant did tell me that she was like, it usually takes more to like a year and a half or so. Now, I know people who have been okay to like shampoo without braiding and banding before then. So if you guys are one of those people that, you know, you got to be free from braiding and banding before a year, let me know. And if you are a person who's still going, if you guys don't mind, use the comment section. Let me know how long it took you guys to get the okay that you don't have to braid and band anymore. Because I'm curious to know, you know, like get a number, like how some people might be able to be free from braiding and banding at 9 months. Some people might be 2 years, 2.5 years. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. The way my hair is as fine as it is, and the fact that I'm still waiting on sister knots to become locks and comb coils to become, where are you at? Right here. And it's so long, but it's so fine. Comb coils will be locked. I'm like, those ain't even locked yet. So it's like, I know. I'm thinking I'm gonna be somewhere closer to the 2-year mark. So, but anyway, guys, let me know how long it took you guys to get free from braiding and banding. And like the video if it was helpful. I hope it was helpful. I didn't have anything dramatic to say. And I think that's a good thing. I think that as they set in, I'm just really, really chilling in them. That's all I can say is like very, very chill. Even here towards the end of my 5 weeks, before I had to go get retied again, I was just letting them be down, and I just been enjoying them and loving them. I've even got to the point where when they're braided, I just kind of throw a hat on and go. Like, I don't know. It might just be that I'm just coming into myself, and I'm just like, girl, we fabulous or whatever. But anyway, I love them. So you guys, if you're starting this journey, it is so worth it. Stick to it. Be patient. If you're thinking about starting, take the time, all the time you need to decide. It is a commitment. It is an adjustment. It is not always easy. There are ups and downs to this journey. I'm still learning a lot of things on this journey. So be patient with it. And once you get them in there, I mean, I just pray that you guys fall in love with yourself, because your hair is yourself all over again, or maybe even for the first time, because I honestly feel like I'm really fully in love with myself for the first time. Not in any like weird conceited way, but really like okay and accepting of who I am. And I shared it before in one of my videos, but it was like my hair was, I think, the last thing that I needed to let go of and embrace at the same time. So that is kind of what Sisterlocks have been for me. It's been a letting go and an embracing at the same time. And I just really, I can't explain how amazing that makes me feel. And it's just an amazing feeling to feel like this. I don't know how to explain it. And this may not be something that everyone feels that same way about, but for me, this is really what these Sisterlocks have been for me. Just a life-changing thing. It's been a transformation from the outside in, honestly, because my hair, I felt like changed first, and then it kick-started these emotions and things inside of me. And I'm so glad I did it. I never thought my hair held so much power in the confidence and freedom of who I was always meant to be. But that's kind of what I'm learning now. So enjoy this journey. I just always say happy journey to all my Sisterlockies, okay? Excuse me. But you guys, always, always, always stay blessed, stay motivated, stay close to God. And remember, God doesn't want to trick you. He never wants to hurt you. God loves you and he cares for you. And I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye, ladies.
Keep your fancy drinks and your expensive minks. I don't need that to have a good time. Keep your expensive car and your caviar. All I need is my guitar. Keep your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone. I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine.